Let's see a demo of the restaurant app we are going to build.
So as you can see over here, this is the account screen. On top, you can see a very beautiful watermelon animation. And then down there, you can see a customized text called Dennis Eats. Then the account details, having the buttons login and then register. So if I want to log in, I click on this login button and it takes me to the login page. Here, I'll be prompted to enter my email and then my password. And after that, I log in. So I can go back so that we can check out the register screen. With the register screen, the same thing. When I come here, I'm sent to the register screen where I'll be able to enter my email, my password, and then I can repeat the password to confirm the password that I entered before, and then I register to create an account. So because I already have an account, let me log in into the app so that we see how everything is. So I'll go back, go to login. I'm going to input my details. So with the email, I have dennis@gmail.com. Now I'll put my password and then I'm going to log in. So you can see a very beautiful activity indicator there. And then I can see a fade in. So the restaurants are fading in onto the screen. Now, if you look on top, you will have a search bar with San Francisco as a default. So you can search for any location or to find restaurants. Okay. Now I can scroll. You can see we have many restaurants here. Down here we have the bottom tab bar with the restaurants, a map. Okay, so here we have a map to find the location of our restaurants, and then over here we have a settings tab. So here you can see on top here we have the profile picture right now, which is an avatar, and then the email of the user, favorites, and then logouts. So right now when I go to favorites, you can see we have no favorites. So let's go back to the restaurant to choose a favorite. So when I go back to the restaurant, I'm going to choose some favorites. I'll choose this to be one of my favorite restaurants, this to be one of my favorite restaurants, um and it's another favorite restaurant. Now, if you look on top here where the San Francisco is, you can see we have another love. This one is. So when I tap on it here, you can see we have all our favorite restaurants over here. We can actually add more. So you can see we have all our favorite restaurants down here. So we can put it off. When we go back to the settings screen and we go to favorites, you can see that all our favorites will also be here. You can see. Alright, so now let's go back to the restaurants again and then let's tap on one of the restaurants. So now with this restaurant, which is in San Francisco, we can go to breakfast, we can go to lunch, we can go to dinner, and then we can check out the drinks. Also, we have Calipo. With the breakfast, we have Indomie, we have Ghana Jollof, and so many. So let's go back. Now let's try to check a different location. Let's check Chicago. So we want restaurants in Chicago. So you can see it loads in so that we can find the restaurants in Chicago. So we can see these restaurants are in Chicago. So when we go to the map also, we can see that we can see the locations of the map, the locations of the restaurants on the map. You can see them over here. So when we get back to the settings screen, now we can actually log out or we can unfavorite our restaurants. So I can remove these guys as my favorites. You can actually remove them, right? So that's at the settings screen. I can remove them here. I can remove this restaurant and I can remove this restaurant as well. And I can also go back. So now when I log out, it's supposed to log me out of the app. So log out. So now we are back to the account screen.
If everything is equal, we are going to create a bonus section with two additional features. One, the user will be able to make payments and purchase food from the restaurant. And the second feature is the user will be able to take pictures and then set their own profile pictures. You could see from the demo that the profile picture was an avatar. So that is going to change. And then the user will also be able to purchase food from the restaurant. So that will be in the bonus section. So see you in the next episode.